What is up, guys and gals? Welcome to How to Smartphones unboxing video of the Samsung Z Flip. So we'll go ahead and open this guy up. The pre-order seemed like it was a limited edition. I tried to get an unlocked one. That was not possible. I was able to get the Samsung Sprint version of it. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at the box. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. Z here on the front. Just some information there on the back. It says Flip on the front. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. Everything else is blank with the information down here on the bottom. Let's go ahead and open this up, and inside we have our Samsung packet, our SIM eject tool. Looks like it came with a case, some reading information, terms and conditions, Samsung Care, and it looks like we have a case that comes with it. So I'll take a look at that later. The future of the Samsung Z Flip, some more reading information. Here is the phone. Take a look at that later. Inside we have the power cube. So there's that. Followed by a little adapter. There's an adapter in there for transferring data and that sort of thing. The charging cable itself. And then we have the headphones. It looks like that is all that's left on the phone or inside the box. Now let's take a look at the phone. Some care instructions. Go ahead and take a look at those here in a bit. For now, let's go ahead and open this up. Oh, there it is. So let's run through some of the care instructions that came with it before we move on. So right here it says, the first one, it says, do not press the screen or the front camera lens with a hard or sharp object such as a pen or your fingernail. Doing so could result in scratching or puncturing them. When folding the device, do not place any objects such as cards, coins, or keys on the screen. Next is, this device is not water or dust resistant. Do not expose to liquids or small particles. And then it says, do not attach adhesives such as films or stickers to the main screen. So no screen protectors, I'm assuming. And then it says, your device contains magnets. Keep a safe distance between your device and objects that may be affected by magnets, such as credit cards and implantable medical devices. If you have an implantable medical device, consult your physician. And I did notice that right there, devices, there's a misspelling, there's a little typo, a J instead of an I. So now let's go ahead and take a look at the phone itself. There is a little screen, or it seems almost like a case that goes around. We can see here in the middle, we don't really see it that much, right over here. And then there's like a little bit of a edge that goes all the way around. And then there's a little camera we could see there, a little earpiece type feature at the top. Nothing really here on the edge of the bottom. There are little rubber pieces here on the bottom for, I'm assuming, just for closing them and giving it a soft surface to close on. We could see the hinge, and I can also kind of see right there in the middle, down the middle, we could see there's a folding, I guess a folding portion that's already kind of pre-folded. Looks like it's already been worked a little bit. As we take a look at the back here, we got the two cameras. We have the flash. There's that sensor or little mini screen that was talked about. It seems like there's a kind of a back cover, like a back glass, and then there's that frame that goes all the way around. And then there's more of that frame as well with another back glass. We got some writing here. Looks like an IMEI number, so we'll keep that. There is a button here. It looks like a volume up and down. That could possibly be the side or power button. A SIM tray over here. So let's go ahead and fold this guy for the first time. Seems like the folding went well. As we could see, that folds with a little bit of space here at the top. kind of gets smaller down as it closes here at the bottom. There is a Samsung branding here at the bottom. And down we got the charging port, a little microphone and a speaker with a little sensor here at the top like most of the Samsungs have. And it opens up. And once again, still looks, you could tell that there's a, I guess it's made to fold there. There's a little bit of a crease. I don't know how that's going to affect the screen when it turns on, but that'll be for when I do my startup video. I'll take a look at the screen, see how everything else works. So if you guys like to see that, go ahead and check out that video. It should be in the playlist, so check that out in the description below. So that's my quick look and my quick unboxing and a quick look over the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. Hope you guys found this video cool, helpful, nice. If you liked it, go ahead, give it a thumbs up. If you guys have any comments, go ahead, drop them in the comment section below. That's all I got for you guys in this one. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.